Namaskar Mitro. Today I am going to show you a process of BSCS Delhi complaint registration on their website bscsdelhi.com. This screen you can view after getting the login and the CA number etc. I am deliberately hiding as it is a private affair, and the complaint will also be some sort of dummy complaint because actual complaint we cannot show to the public. So in this screen I would like to take you through this screen, and we would like to show you how these big corporation make mockery of the Prime Minister Modi ji's Digital India movement, how they circumvent their coding and their scripts in such a way that they are never in receipt of any complaint, because the consumer is so much fed up after going through this process that they just leave, and they are forced to just keep on visiting the BSE offices where there is no sunwai. And this deliberate and malified intention attempts by these corporations are to just show that they are in good books and there are no complaints. So when you see their achievement, they say we have limited complaints, but actually they circumvent all these processes, and physically they can always hinder. So starting with this, I would like to show you how this happens. Just quickly go through various options. First is a complaint type, then I'll select a final bill not received. I'll just type something like my bill and try to submit it. See, so I go here, check, there is no sub complaint number. Now this has been deliberately done, that now this you cannot again submit because sub complaint is not there. So we will have to select this again. Now again there is no. So by this time and by this method 99% will be frustrated. Now what they have done, that you have to select complaint type again, then like this, and then you can have another option or second one, first bill not received or whatever, again the same. Okay, now when I submit again same thing happens. That coding is done in such a way that you are frustrated by their efforts, and again I will have to select, then third maybe provisional bill, again see the effect, see the effect. Now I would like to do again, select something. So this way 99% people are fed up. Again, if you look at the result, it is nothing new. Please try again later. And this goes. If I try to do it, it doesn't show up. So again, I would like to change maybe another. Maybe they have some problem today in some. So let me check delay in burnt meter replacement. Same. No change. Again the same thing happens. If you try to submit, it says select sub complaint and sub complaint is not there. I will have to go back again and again, and this is totally frustrating activity. Then meter seal broken, testing for meter, something like that. Whatever I take, there is no way I can get through this. So this is a highest pitiable situation. Let me check again. Connection related, delay in meter installation, no change. See, Please try again.